So here we are. That will be the location for the first overnighter. Yeah, I was thinking about all the myths and legends, and of course especially in Europe, a lot of them. However, it's a werewolf, dogman, paranormal activities, all this playing around castles or ruins. Yeah, the first full moon since I started this kind of series. Yeah, you see now it's episode 5, and it's the first full moon, so I did this 4 episodes in 2 weeks or something like that. Yeah, but today the first night outside in the Black Forest, close to a ruin, and here the place really looks nice. Yeah, looks like a really mystical place. Yeah, I think since the 7th century. Yeah, this is here, and I'm really excited. This in combination with the full moon. Yeah, I hope it's a good idea. So, but first let's take a look around. Okay. Now I want to say something about the comment you saw at the beginning of this episode, and now you think maybe I do completely the opposite, and yeah, that's true. But I also, the comment was for me 100% true. When you make this kind of encounter, you see the things with different eyes, but for me, I see it a bit different. Of course, I don't want to be face to face with a dogman. This is, even when you have a weapon, it's really dangerous. This is, I think, much more dangerous like a Bigfoot, and much more aggressive. And so why I'm doing this? At all, I see it like that. For me it's a question about, I see it with like math or percent. How high is the possibility something will happen to me? So in the Black Forest not many people get missed. Of course there are, but not so many like for example in the US, and I think in Germany it's much more dangerous to cross the street as something happens to you in the woods. Okay, just to take a look. You never know. The sun will go down soon. In 1 hour, so then I search now my final place for the night, and yeah, this time of course is more the priority. what happens at night, what happens at full moon, what happens around a ruin. So this all questions I try to find the answer tonight. So yeah, the rain stopped. It was just some minutes. So slowly, but it starts to get dark. So let's take a look around here. So looks like the forest awakes. Sounds coming more and more. Something is up there, but it can be everything. So I follow the noise. Something was up here, so I decide I will take a look. Here's a cabin. Here another one. Okay. I also read a comment in the internet that the dogmen also use cabins, and yeah, and also live really close to the cities. Okay, I didn't see anything here, so I will return to the ruins. Also a lot of bats out here in this area. I'm almost, or almost one hits me, but okay. Can really save the money for horror movies just go out, make a night investigation in the forest. Yeah, but important, just go outside. Really at home every day the same. So nights like that is what you will remember. Okay, now the word sounds start. How more the moon rise, how creepier the atmosphere gets. Fuck, something is there. Oh, something is up there. Something is there. It's really difficult to investigate at night. The best will be a camera who capture the body heat. Then you really see more. But of course, it's also good to compare. Of course, I don't see so much in the night, but the activity is really different. And of course, the atmosphere. That something is here. Noise all the time. Did you hear that? All the time. Something is around me. Is that the same or something different? Why don't run away? And it's still here? Or it's another animal or... What the fuck? What is that? Is this a pig? I don't know, that was really creepy. I'm here, I have my knife in the hand, really, for the first time, because this was really close and it didn't run away. What is going on? I'm too old for this shit, really. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. When I check tomorrow the footage, maybe I will discover something. Sometimes you really see more on the big screen. Yeah, I think for today it's done. Yeah, it's really late, so it was a long day. Alright, so maybe see you later in the night when something happens. If not, thanks for watching, and let me know what do you think about the idea with the full moon investigation. So, here's the tent. Alright,